Hello everyone, today I will show you how to insert raw in Google Sheet above or below. Click on this in Google Sheet and click right button, and here you will find this insert raw above this line, and so this only showing here insert raw above. If you click this raw serial number here and see this, now click right button and here will show raw above, insert and below. See this. Now click here again and click right button and see this insert raw below, and here also I will add insert raw below and see this. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.